and welcome to 3D Printed Soup. I love Star Wars. I mostly love Star Wars because of the props. I love lightsabers, I love blasters, and I love building, painting and 3D printing them. But then I heard about Galaxy's Edge and I thought, oh fantastic, I can go and see a fully realised Star Wars planet with a Marrakesh style market and first order sections and all the wonderful shops where they sell lightsabers and toys and games. And then I realised that it's in the States. I am never going to be able to afford to go there and buy the stuff that I want because I've got a family and they are hungry and they like sleeping indoors, the selfish buggers. So I thought surely I can 3D print myself some merchandise, and I had a look at what was available and I saw this. This is a Sith holocron. It's how the Sith Lords learn their craft. It's a way that ancient Sith Lords can store their data and their memories and their training advice onto a device which then can be stored for thousands of years and given to the new Sith underlings so they can learn to be as great as the Sith Lords were, or at least the Sith Lords they probably stabbed in the back and then didn't learn anything from them because they've killed them already, because the Sith murder each other because they're psychos. But anywho, enough of that. Surely I can 3D print myself a working, or at least apparently working, Sith holocron. Let's give it a try. So, this is my functional LED lit Sith holocron. What I've done is, inside this I have inserted one of these Christmas lights you get, one of these little sort of fake tea lights. And the nice thing about that is if you paint the Sith holocron a translucent red colour, this sort of flickers nicely, and instead of a candle it kind of looks like there's sort of energy inside it pulsing and moving around. So yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic, and yeah, this is one of my favourite things I think I've ever 3D printed. I've used translucent PLA and I've used a green PLA as well, which I've painted gold. So yes, very, very happy with this. And okay, one day I might be able to drag myself to Galaxy's Edge, but until that time, this will do me very nicely. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Please click the like button. If you didn't like it, click the dislike button. As long as you're telling me how you feel, fantastic. Click the notification button, it'll tell you when my next uploads are. I try and do them once a week, but occasionally they're sporadic, so click the notifications and it'll tell you exactly when my uploads hit the net. Please, and leave it in the comment section and I'll try my best to print them. And once again, thanks for watching.